We're now going to do what is called as the Tunisian simple stitch, and we're going to go forward and back within today's video. So what we're going to do is that we are going to look for the second one over. So this one is already done. This loop equals the one that is currently on to the Afghan hook. So the next loop you need to pick up is right here. And when you pick that up, you want to go and slide across the front of it and only pick up that vertical strand. You're going to yarn over, pull through, and slide to the shaft. And so the top of this stitch just fell down in between. Okay, so there's the next vertical here. Just grab that vertical, yarn over, pull through, and slide down. So you're noticing that the top row, the top of the last row is falling in between the stitches. So there's something really important to show you at the end of this forward pass. So keep collecting those. And so if there was 10 loops when we started, how many loops should there be when you go all the way across? Yes, it should be the same number. So the very last one is where people go wrong on Tunisian. So you see that it filled in the spots. So in the last row, you don't go through just one strand going up, you have to go through the chain. And so when you do that, you're going to come into the side and place the chain that you created, and it's represented by 2 loops. And you're going to yarn over and pull through. And so what you're doing here is you're keeping this edge so that you can connect to it in the future if you wanted to, and the bottom looks perfect, and so does this side. So by doing it that way, all 4 sides are going to look complete. We're now going to do a return pass. Now in the return pass, because it's not connecting to anything, you have to chain 1 to start. So yarn over and just pull through 1 loop only. That's your chain 1. And now the rest of them all the way back is going to be pulling it through 2. Every time you pull through 2, move forward, yarn over, pull through the next 2, and you keep doing that across. So I can go much faster than this, but it's a tutorial, so I'm slowing down. And you go all the way back until there's 1 loop. So I'm going to do another forward pass and return with you. So you see the first row filled in because it sank down, and now this row has the empty spaces. So to do a forward pass, this loop equals the first one. So you're coming to the second one over and behind the vertical, yarn over, pull through. And this is pushing down the top of that last row in between. You can clearly see that's happening. And on the very last one, you're going to come into the side here. It's right here. This is your chain 1. It's always represented by 2 loops. So coming in there, do not just grab 1 strand, grab both, and yarn over, pull through. And now we're going to do the return pass. You're not connecting it to anything, so you're going to yarn over, chain 1, and then yarning over, pulling it through 2 all the way back. So what I want you to do is practice a few more rows, and then in the next video I'm going to show you how to count the rows, because it matters with the Entrelac on being able to complete the number of rows. And if you can easily count it, then your life is going to be a lot easier. So we'll do that. So I'm going to do a couple more rows, and then I'll show you how to count it.